NLC India Limited always believes that industrialization without affecting the environment shall give a sustainable growth to any organization. Afforestation activities and green belt development works are being carried out by NLC India Limited in all the mines in compliance with commitment made to the Union Ministry of Environment, Forests and Climate Change in accordance with the mine closure plan. NLC India Limited gives a lot of importance not only for making profits but also for protecting the environment and maintaining the ecological balance.
Founded in 1951 with a mission to protect the lands and water on which all life depends. The world's largest conservation organization, with projects in more than 76 countries and territories. An organization that is science and research driven, with a network of more than 400 conservationists, scientists, and economists. We have helped protect 125 million acres of land, managing 100 marine conservation projects, improving billions of lives, creating a cleaner, healthier, caring world. We are the Nature Conservancy.